How to add cash to Revolut. So the cash deposit feature is only available for select customers of Revolut who are located within the 50 United States. If cash deposit is available to you, it'll be displayed within the Revolut app. You can load money easily to your Revolut card account at select retailers, each a participating retailer, via cash deposit for a small fee collected by the participating retailer. Participating retailers will be displayed within the Revolut app. All you need to do is find an available cash deposit location at a participating retailer near you within the Revolut app and present the participating retailer with your physical Revolut card as well as the amount of cash that you want to deposit. You can usually add any amount from $20 to $500 depending on the participating retailer at which you choose to deposit. The money will be added to your account usually in about 60 minutes. You may not cancel any cash deposit once it has been initiated. Please note that the following limits apply to cash deposit at participating retailers. Daily limit of $1,500 or 3 deposits, 7-day rolling limit of $3,500 or 10 deposits, and a 30-day rolling limit of $5,000 or 15 deposits. Here's how to add cash deposit from your Revolut app. Tap Add Money, change your deposit method to cash, tap Unlock Locations Near Me, select a participating retailer location, present your Revolut card and cash amount that you wish to deposit to the participating retailer, and be sure to collect a receipt from the participating retailer confirming your cash deposit. Remember that you may be required to provide identification to the participating retailer to complete your cash deposit. Always retain the paper receipt you receive from the participating retailer as a record of your deposit, and a service fee of up to $5 may apply to your Revolut account when you complete a cash deposit at a participating retailer. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.